What if one electric bike could replace your car, conquer mountain trails, and ride over sand, snow, or city streets with ease? Today, we are counting down 12 must-have electric bikes of 2026. Let's begin. Number 12. Aventon Aventure 3. The Aventon Aventure 3 is designed for adventurers with no boundaries. Rugged fat tires with 4-inch rubber wheels, suspension fork, and suspension seat post, it's ready for city streets, gravel, sand, and rough trails. The 750-watt motor delivers strong performance, with the battery offering up to 65 miles of range for longer trips. The new ACU technology combines with 4G and GPS connectivity, and with advanced anti-theft solutions to ensure that your bike stays protected and connected. Ride Tune customization lets the rider modify the power delivery to match his or her riding style. The Aventure 3 is a smart, powerful, and versatile e-bike for all tracks. Number 11. Specialized Turbo Vado SL. The Specialized Turbo Vado SL proves that an e-bike does not need to be heavy to be powerful. It feels like a traditional bicycle with extra electric assistance when you need it. Its lightweight SL 1.1 motor delivers smooth and natural support. The bike stays agile, responsive, and easy to control. Weighing around 33 pounds, it is simple to carry and store. The integrated battery provides up to 80 miles of range. An optional range extender adds even more distance for longer rides. Built-in lights improve safety during daily commutes. Comfortable geometry keeps every ride enjoyable. With practical accessories and premium design, the Turbo Vado SL is perfect for fitness, commuting, and everyday adventures. Number 10. Yoto Lion e-bike. The Yoto Lion is built for the riders who need more than a basic ride. This family cargo e-bike is able to carry passengers, groceries, and equipment. It has an impressive 440 pounds payload capacity. With its 750-watt powerful motor, it can deliver 1,200 watts peak power. This means stronger acceleration and better hill climbing performance. With optional dual battery setup, the range can be extended around 120 miles. Its unique mullet fat tire design improves balance and stability. It can handle different surfaces with confidence. Hydraulic brakes provide dependable stopping power under heavy loads. Front suspension adds extra comfort on rough roads. Priced around $1,299, the Yoto Lion offers impressive cargo performance without the premium price tag. Number 9. Lectric Discover 1 Plus. The Discover 1 Plus is a robust electric beach cruiser by Lectric e-bikes that has a 500-watt motor capable of 900-watt peak power and is capable of reaching a speed of 28 miles per hour. It has a 48-volt, 14.4 ampere-hour battery that provides a range of up to 65 miles. Riders have 5 levels of pedal assist, walk mode, and USB port. The gearing is Shimano 7-speed, and the stem is adjustable to increase versatility and fit. The hydraulic disc brakes provide safety and stopping, and the UL-certified battery improves the safety. It is comfortable, fast, and made to commute and take leisure. Number 8. ADO Air 1 Pro. The ADO Air 1 Pro is a compact commuter priced around €1,699, designed for daily convenience and weekend adventures. The 2-speed eco and sport modes of its Bafang 2-speed torque sensor-powered automatic motor provide smooth acceleration. A carbon belt drive makes it operate without noise and requires minimum maintenance. The battery is 37 volts 10 ampere hours and removable with a range of 100 kilometers. The 20-inch wheels, rotating handlebar, and step-through frame enhance storage and handling. The hydraulic brakes, front suspension, Bluetooth applications connectivity, and modular mounts improve the safety and versatility. Number 7. Orbea Diem DM20. Orbea Diem DM20 is a futuristic commuter which won a 2024 IF Design Award with a patented diamond glide frame, puncture-resistant Vittoria tires, fast 29-inch wheels, carbon forks, and smooth efficiency provide confidence and confident braking through hydraulics of Shimano. It is equipped with a Shimano EP6 motor and 630 watt-hour battery that support up to 150 kilometers range with optional range extender. The cockpit will incorporate lighting, USB-C charge, SP Connect phone mounting, and Shimano display integration. Clean low-maintenance shifting is ensured by a Nexus 5-speed internal hub and carbon belt drive. Automatic daytime lights, built-in kickstand, MIK rack, and high-quality paintwork are some of the features that take this sophisticated urban mobility solution to the next level. Number 6. Borealis Keystone. Some electric bikes are designed for roads. The Borealis Keystone is designed where roadways disappear. This luxury fat tire e-bike is priced at approximately $6,199 and designed for extreme conditions. It's powered by Shimano EP8 motor with 85 Nm torque for strong performance on tough terrain. SRAM G X Eagle AXS wireless transmission performs quickly and accurately. The Manitou Mastodon Pro suspension system soaks up bumps and jumps. Massive Keykita tires provide incredible traction on snow, sand, and mud. This is not a basic commuter. The Keystone is an adventure machine built for riders who demand maximum capability anywhere. Number 5. Aniioki AQ177 Pro Max. Range anxiety disappears with the Aniioki AQ177 Pro Max. This electric bike is designed for the rider who wants greater power and longer distance. The enormous battery system provides an outstanding 100 to 200 miles of range, depending upon riding conditions. A strong 1,000-watt motor boasts 1,400-watt peak power to conquer hills, rough surfaces, and extended journeys. The dual suspension helps maintain comfort over long distances. It has several riding modes, which can be selected to suit the conditions. Additional gear, commuting, and touring opportunities are possible with a 350-pound capacity. Number 4. Aventon Abound LR. The Aventon Abound LR is built for replacing everyday car trips. This cargo bike is built for families and everyday hauling. Its strong 750-watt motor delivers smooth and reliable power. The torque sensor creates a natural riding feel, and it can carry up to 440 pounds with confidence. It provides up to 60 miles of range by the help of removable battery. Hydraulic brakes offer dependable stopping power under heavy loads. Integrated lights improve visibility day and night. App connectivity adds smart features and extra convenience. From grocery runs to school drop-offs, it handles daily tasks with ease. The Abound LR proves that practical transportation can still be fun. Number 3. Trek Fuel EXE. The Trek Fuel EXE brings trail performance to a whole new level. It delivers electric power without losing the feel of a real mountain bike. Its compact TQH PR50 motor produces 50 Nm of smooth, quiet assistance. The motor is so quiet, you'll barely notice it's there. A lightweight carbon frame keeps the weight as low as 17.5 kilograms. Large 29-inch wheels roll over rough terrain with ease. The 150mm front and 140mm rear suspension absorb tough trails. A 64.8-degree head angle inspires confidence on steep descents. It stays agile and responsive when climbing back up. Hidden electronics complete the clean design. The Fuel EXE feels like a traditional trail bike with a nearly invisible electric boost. Number 2. Aventon Aventure M. The Aventon Aventure M is built to tackle almost any terrain. Its 100 Nm mid-drive motor delivers smoother and powerful assistance. Climbing steep hills feel easier and more natural. The electric Shimano 10-speed drivetrain shifts with precision. Optional auto shift makes every ride even more effortless. SRAM 4-piston brakes provide stronger and reliable stopping power. Its massive 26x4-inch fat tires grip sand, snow, gravel, and pavement with confidence. Smart technology includes GPS tracking, remote locking, and over-the-air updates. Its rugged frame is built for serious adventures. At 73 pounds, it's little heavier than most e-bikes, but it rewards riders with outstanding stability, durability, and off-road capability. Number 1. Lectric XP 3.0. Taking the top spot is Lectric XP 3.0. This folding e-bike delivers far more than its price suggests. Its 1,000-watt peak motor provides quick acceleration and impressive torque. It is built for commuting, weekend rides, and light trail adventures. Hydraulic brakes offer strong and reliable stopping power. Its upgraded suspension keeps every ride smooth and comfortable. Its folding frame makes it easy to store and transport. It fits neatly in apartments, RVs, and car trunks. Optional accessories even let you carry a passenger. It is heavier than some folding bikes, but it is a combination of power, versatility, and value, which make Lectric XP 3.0 our #1 electric bike of 2026. If you enjoyed the video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.